What if I told you that students in 2026 are using AI to finish assignments faster, create presentations in minutes, take smarter notes, and even study with personal AI tutors completely free? Today, I will show you the best free AI tools every student should use in 2026. These tools can save hours of work every week, and trust me, the last one feels like having a genius assistant in your pocket. First up is ChatGPT. Today is probably the most powerful AI tool for students right now. You can use it to explain difficult topics, summarize PDFs, solve coding problems, write assignments faster, practice interview questions, and even create syllabus schedules. The best part is that you can ask questions in your own style. For example, explain quantum physics in simple words, and instantly it becomes your personal tutor. Whether you are a school student or a university student, ChatGPT can save you hours of studying time. Next is Notion with AI features. If your notes are always messy, this tool can completely change your student life. Notion AI helps you organize notes, create summarize, make to-do list, manage deadlines, and even plan projects automatically. Think of it like a second brain. Many students use it for exam preparation, assignment tracking, research planning, and productivity management. Instead of keeping everything scattered, you can manage your entire academic life in one place. Now let's talk about Grammarly. If you struggle with writing essays, reports, or emails, this tool is a lifesaver. Grammarly fixes grammar mistakes, spelling errors, awkward sentences, and improve your writing tone instantly. But in 2026, its AI features are even smarter. It can rewrite paragraphs professionally and make your writing sound clearer and more confident. Perfect for assignments, scholarship applications, resumes, and professional emails. Your writing instantly looks more polished. Next up is Canva. Most students hate making presentations because they take too much time. But Canva AI changes everything. You simply type your topic and it generates beautiful presentations, posters, resumes, infographics, and designs within a seconds. No design skills needed. This tool is specifically useful for college projects and class presentations. Instead of spending hours designing slides, you can focus on your actual content. Now, here is one of the most underrated AI tools for students, Perplexity AI. Think of it as a master version of Google. Instead of giving you random websites, it gives direct answer with sources included. This is extremely useful for research papers, fact checking, learning new topics, and finding accurate information quickly. Students are saving hours of research time using this tool, and because it provides sources, it's much better for academic work. Bonus tool Otter AI. This tool records lectures and converts speech into notes automatically. So instead of writing everything manually during class, you can actually focus on understanding the lecture. It's perfect for online classes, university lectures, meetings, and review sessions, especially helpful for students who miss important points while taking notes. So, those were the best free AI tools for students in 2026. These tools can help you study smarter, save time, improve productivity, and reduce stress. The students using AI today are learning faster than ever before.